Assalamualaikum and a very good evening everyone. So today I am gonna do the usual weekly analysis for the pair that we already discussed on previous week. So before we go to our analysis, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Hanzo Shadowcodes, and you can also follow my Instagram channel at Hanzo Shadowcodes. Alright, so let's go into the chart. Alright, so for Euro USD, on last week we already discussed that price already hit a quite good level, which is a head and shoulder, or also known as Quasimodo. And when it hit this zone, this blue zone, it's created a daily base on a daily chart. So we already drawn on previous week a pole, and it got respected, okay, up to here. So when it reached here, I already said that we need something to break for it to have a confirmation before it keep going down. Okay, so over here, if you can see, it's got a good solid break, and then it retraced back here. If you follow my Instagram story, you will see that I have an entry up here, and followed by an analysis that saying that price will pull back and keep going down. Okay, so right now price already reacted with this RBS level, which is also a very good one because it happened to be able to push price up to here. Okay, so if you miss this setup of mine in my story, maybe I will post it again in my Instagram, so you can follow after you watching this video by Sunday. Okay, I will post it today, and it will only last about 24 hours. So let's go for Euro GBP. So for Euro GBP, we already drawn this base, this supply zone, and price are still playing within this zone. Okay, but we still do not have confirmation whether it want to go down or not, because we need to wait for it to break this level up to this pink zone. Okay, and then it will pull back and keep going down. But for now, price can still or price still have the potential of going up, but it is quite dangerous for you to buy because it is in a supply zone. Okay, we can see that it is in an uptrend and it can go up, but for us to do a buy position or a long position is quite dangerous. Okay, so for buy position, you need to wait for it to break this supply zone first, and for sell position to be a safe entry, you need to wait for it to break this blue zone first and reach up to this pink zone, and we entry on the pullback. Okay, so when we entry on the pullback, we might have a support become resistant rate here. Alright, okay, so that's it for Euro GBP. And for Euro CHF, this is just an update from previous week trade. So if any of you follow my Instagram story on Hanzo Shadowcodes, you can see that I have an entry here. Quite a good entry actually. So it's already retraced up to 40 pips, and the maximum it go about 60 pips. Okay, so if any of you also follow this this trade, where we want to get our take profit. Okay, so our take profit, if we trade using a pole, okay, let me draw a pole here and make it shorter. We can expect price to have a take profit up to here. Okay, so this is a profit range, so we can hold position up to 160 pips. Okay, so if we can get about 100 pips, also good. So you got two places for you to take profit. Okay, so remember to break even for Euro CHF. Right, so for GBP USD, price still hasn't go to my two favorite level, and it still respected this blue level. So nothing much I can say about GBP USD. So we just wait in the zone. Do not uh, Do not trade against your plan. This is my plan. My plan is to trade within this zone. Alright. So CHF JPY. If you can see from previous week, I already draw this support become resistance level, and price respect it and did break this zone here. Okay, so because it break here, we need to draw this. Okay, so we have a chance. Okay, so we can delete this. This already over. We already got this trade. Okay, we delete this. Delete delete all selected. Okay, so we can have price moving up to here. This one, and then we can expect price to at least touch here. Alright. So that's it for for CHF JPY on daily. So whoever got this trade, we already have about 130 pips and 160 pips at maximum. So we can carry our trade about until 170 pips, and anyone who can get this trade maybe up here. Okay, so we can get about another 60 pips. Okay, so that's it for CHF JPY. And for GBP JPY, finally price hit our daily base. This one is quite sometimes we wait for this zone, but it is a good thing. Being a trader, you need to have patience. You need to wait for the setup. Okay, so most of the people I saw in Instagram, I also follow them, they start selling up to here. Okay, so they got a float about 90 pips. If they got good money management, they should be fine, and also got a profit 2 times more. Okay, 2 times the risk that they already take. But if you follow the zone that I already drawn, you will get about 200 pips, and right now still running. Okay, so for GBP JPY, where do you want to take profit? Okay, you can target up to here. This is a support zone. Okay, but don't forget to break even. Okay, so this one is also like a good zone. Maybe we can have an adding position. Okay, an add position over here. Okay, and this one will be our goal level. Okay, so might be a retrace up to here, but if you do not want to miss the trade, you can take up to here, and the stop loss you can put it up here. Okay, alright, so that's it for GBP JPY. And for USD CHF, we had a loss here. I also cut my loss here, and I got a trade here and profit about 56 pip, and then hit my break even. Okay, so right now for USD CHF, I can still see a downtrend. Okay, I can still see a downtrend here, so maybe I will try another position here. Okay, so this one I will transfer it here. Okay, so this one we do not need anymore. Delete all selected. This one also delete. Okay, so this is our expectation. Alright, 1 2. Okay, so maybe we can wait for price action. Okay, before we go into this trade, maybe we need a bearish engulfing like the one in Euro USD, like this one. Okay, so CHF GBP JPY USD CHF. Okay, so that's it for USD CHF. NZD JPY, let's see. Okay, so whoever got this trade, this one is the zone that we drawn. Okay, it go up and then it retrace. Okay, so it got about 120 pips, and currently running. Maybe we can get another 100 pips. Okay, maybe. So as a DJPY, just follow the plan. So for USD JPY, this is a new pair that we want to try. Okay, so I am expecting price to go inside this zone and went down. Okay, so that's it for this week analysis. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe, share to your friend about this analysis. This is a free analysis, so you do not need to pay me anything. And if you want to contribute something, please do not skip the ads. Alright, so may we have a good profit this week. Bye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.